Thank you so much for watching the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Now, this was a really fun little project that took no time at all. What I did was that I took a piece of wrought iron, flattened it out, folded it, and put the high carbon steel in the middle and forge welded it down. Now, that is an old way of stacking like a Damascus piece. If you didn't have a welding machine to tack weld them in place before the weld, that was an efficient way to do it as well, to get that sandwich effect. So it was the first time I tried that, and it was fairly easy to do. So this is the Viking age blacksmith knife, is usually what it's called. But in Sweden we call this the women's knife, or Kvinnokniv. And the reason we do that varies a little bit. Now, there are no official archaeological finds that this was only used by the women, but I dug deep into the web and started researching it because I thought it was kind of interesting. And what they say different things, basically. Some people mean that it's a very easy knife and it could be used for skinning animals and stuff like that. And back in the day, the household was the women's domain, basically. They were in charge of the household, and with that came everything that comes with meat and food and storage and everything like that. So a knife for the women where they could easily skin an animal and stuff like that was not uncommon, I think. Now, I have no proof of this, of course. This is just my speculation and from what I could find on the web. So, but we do call them a women's knife. And they could come in different shapes and forms. This is a very simple shape, in my opinion. And I designed it so that you could go up on the blade with your fingers to assist it when skinning. And that makes sense to me, since it was used as a skinning knife or a utility knife, basically. I had a lot of fun doing this project. Went very fast, took no time at all, as I said, and it turned out beautiful in my opinion. I did etch it a little bit in the end there to get some of the wrought iron finish in it. However, wrought iron differ from other types of wrought iron. Some wrought iron have more of these impurities in them, which makes the grain a little bit more beautiful. In this case, it doesn't show that much. In some places it shows a lot, and in some places it doesn't show at all. So that's how it is. I hope that you get inspired to try and make one of these. And if you make them out of a solid piece of steel, it will probably go a lot quicker even. So get out there and try and make one. It's a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoy the process. So once again, thanks for watching the video. Like it if you liked it. Consider subscribing if you would like to see more of these kinds of videos in the future. Stay safe and have a great day. Thank you very much.